Back at it again with another one. This time we are doing a Loc Comb Out. Okay, my client decided she no longer want her locks, so she would like for me to comb them out. Today will be a long process. I will be working on her head for a full day from morning to night. Okay, this service, you have to have patience while you're receiving it and while you're doing the service. Now, I always let my clients know that this is not a fast procedure, so please don't expect me to finish quickly. I am wearing gloves, and it's because my fingers eventually will get numb. This is a service I don't really advertise as much as I know people will like for me to, because it is a lot of work and a lot of people don't want to pay the fee. Now, with me removing the locks, I do expect my client to lose a lot of hair. But with the method that I am doing, I am praying and hoping that she don't lose too much hair. Her mom is aware of the process of her losing a lot of hair once the hair is combed out. These are the combs I will be using. I got them from Amazon, and they actually really helped speed up the process. But when I say this process is not easy, it's not. So when she came in, I decided to wet her hair, soak it, and add much as I can of conditioner. I lathered it up with a lot of conditioner, and I just keep wetting it and making sure it is wet while I am detangling it to make the process a lot easier. Now, I am not like everybody else. I am a whole different breed. So please do not expect me to remove locks like someone you know, because I'm not them. Now, removing each lock, I would say it would take me about 7 to 10 minutes to remove each lock. As you can see, I am drenching her hair down with water, with my water spray bottle, because as I'm getting closer to the front, I'm starting to realize the hair is starting to get dry. I don't want the hair to get dry because to me, it seems like it takes longer to comb out because it's dry. My client did a really good job. I believe she's 11 years old, and I think she had her locks for about 5 years, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure her mom's going to see this video. So if you can comment down below and let us know how long she had her locks. I thought it was about 5 to 6 years, if I'm not mistaken. But she stated her daughter woke up and just was like, I no longer want locks. I want my natural hair back. So that's how we ended it up here. Now, if you are interested in this service, you can head to my website at www.beautyofroyalty, and you're going to click on book now, and you are going to go under locks. Prices may vary depending on how long your locks are, how short they are, how thick, how small. It all depends. So please don't comment down below asking me how much I charge for this service. It all depends. The starting price is on my website, but depending on how your hair look once you come in, I will determine on how exactly it's going to cost, how much it's going to cost. Once I am done combing it out, I am going to take her to the sink and give her a nice wash and also a blow dry. And I will advise her mom to keep her hair moisturized.